Okay, we're starting. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we'll play Pixel Gun 3D. Okay guys, today we'll play Pixel Gun 3D and we'll play flag capture in a brand new map called, I forgot the name. So it's like a food map. It's a very good map. I actually love it. The map is very cool. Correct. So this is a brand new map. This is like a food map, like a dinner table, Christmas dinner. Yeah, that's what I forgot. I forgot the name. So this map is very cool. It's a very fun map. It's a flag capture, by the way. It's a flag capture map. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, flip! So guys, remember to subscribe. Give a like, notification, and yeah, let's get into the video, boys. Hey, bro, you have that water rifle too bad you don't shoot anything. Let's do this, broski. Okay, so this map have no secret place, but there is one. There he is. Oh no. Oh, there he is. Good boy. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Get the flipping wrecked, bro. Oh, that flipping guy. So, this, we're playing flag capture, by the way. I know there's not that much people, boys. There's not that much people on today's video, so I guess we just have to... They have 2 points. They have the flipping 2 points. I hate this. Okay, we can go, boys. I've got the flipping flag. And I'm not about to forget it. Oh, come on. I hate the laser monster, but guys, if you guys are having a fantastic day, remember to subscribe, the like notification, and someone is about to steal my flag. Good luck. Goodbye. I keep killing people like a pro. Where's our flag? Where's our freaking flag? Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay, so yeah. This is a very small map. It's actually a very small one, but it's really fun. It's a very fun map. It's about Christmas dinner. And look at that mythical pet. Okay, we get defeated, and I have no thing to do in the last time because, yeah, you can already see that the enemy had 2 points, so there's nothing what I can do. So remember to subscribe, boys. We're gonna go another battle, waiting for players. Let's do this. We can go, boys. We can flip it. Oh, we cannot. There it is. Oh, come on. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. There it is. Okay, now jump. I don't have that double jump. I wanna have that double jump thing. There it is. So I know this map a lot. That's a very fun map. There it is. I got black. Is there anyone in the game? There's so many people on the game. So there's a brand new gun, and this gun is very pro. It's very OP. It's called the laser bouncer. The laser bouncer is a very powerful gun. It's actually a very powerful gun. A super powerful gun. And we're about to kill people like a rapid fire. But there's so many players. Let's do this, boys. Too bad I'm jumping. Yes. I'm almost dead. I'm literally dead right now. I'm just gonna say that I'm literally... I have 1 more health. Oh, what? I'll use that one. The Frank Seepfold. Oh, someone. Too bad, too sad. What? He literally survived all my shots. Oh, okay. I thought he survived all my shots. Like, what the hell? Hello, bro? Oh, bro. He's shooting like crazy, bro. There he is. this guy have the water rifle also. He also have the water rifle. Okay, let's do this. Well, it's hot. I need HP. No, the flag. What is it? Too bad, too sad. General boys. We're already taking all the kills. We can take Fury all the time. I kill my own self. What the flip? They broke. What the hell? Yo, this game is getting so funny. This game is getting so awkward. I don't know what the game is getting awkward and awkward. What? This guy just spawned at me. Where's my flipping flag? Yo, where's my flag? Where's my flag? Yo, where's my flag though? Where's my flipping flag? Too bad, too sad. Bro. Yes, there you go. Touchdown. Get that. There he is. We win. Yo, we keep winning flag capture, boys. Look at that. Yo, we got so many points. We got general all the time. This is so crazy. We can do another one, boys. So I love my flag capture in this map. This map is actually very cool. Let's do this. Fine. If you don't want to protect my flag, then I will do it. What? Aw. Thought I got it, but he got it. Get that. Okay. He's walking away. He stole my flag, please. That guy just one shot. That guy just flipping one shot. You stealing that flag, Blue? You wanna steal that flag? By the way, my pet actually damaged so many now. Pixagon. See? Told you, my pet just flipping kill him. Hey, Blue. Did he know? Or what? Do you even know that I was here? Do you even know that I was here? Get wrecked. You also have that water rifle, but you don't use it. Do you know I am behind you? Do you flipping know I am behind you? Oh, flip! He killed me. I was reloading that time. It's okay. Hey, bro. Hey. Too bad, too sad. He get wrecked. Where's my flag? Oh, he's running. No, boy. No running from you. No running from you, no. No, we don't have 1-on-1. Come on, come here. Oh, what? He spawned there and he just killed me right away. Oh, okay, let's do this. Guess we can do this. It's a boss. There he is. Revenge. Okay, die this time, boys. Oh, fudge. You kidding me? You also have the water rifle. There's 3 people that have the same. Oh, that guy take my flipping flag. Oh, that guy take my flag. Oh, what? No, you kidding me? There he is. Big boy. That's we go. There you go. I'm coming. Coming to the flag. Coming to swag. I am too OP. Wanna dance with me? I know that guy's here. Where are you? Where are you, dude? The flag here. reset. What? Who killed me? I killed him! Oh, hopefully my teammate get the flag. Too bad, too sad. Too bad, too sad. Oh yeah, let's do this, boy. Let's do this. They don't even know I'm stealing the flag. They don't even know I'm stealing the flag. They don't even know I'm stealing the flag. Let's do this. They stole my flag. Perfect. I guess you're perfect like a little chicken with a baby. Touchdown. Get wrecked! Oh my god. Yes. Yo, if I touched on that, if I don't touch on that, then we will literally get the draw. Look at that, bro. We win. Actually, we're close to emerald. We're close to like getting our next level and our next level. Okay, let's do this. Do this, bro. Getting some ammo in the start of the game. I'm protecting first. That's what I do when I start the game. I look at the sky. I look when people come by. I always look at this little corner stuff because that's what people always do. What? You're just steal my flag? What? I don't see that. Such a bitch. Okay, let's do this. Get left. Get left. Get left. Where are you going? You're going to your very own flag. What? Oh my god, okay, we're doing this, boys. He's gonna go out, and I'm going to kill him when you go out. And if you can go out, I'm going to kill him. Fine, we'll do this the hard way. He died, don't he? He died. Did he die? Oh, yes he did. There he is. Bro, you surviving, bro? Oh, bro, there's an enemy. There's an enemy. The enemy's controlling me. I hate the what you call it, the water, the ice thing. Too bad your grenade miss. What? Oh, what? That's a very OP gun. That's a very OP gun. Too bad, too sad. I was trying to reload for a second. Our flag is still there. Let me get this armor. There it is. What? You were two standing there the whole time. What? Ooh, there he is. You tried to use that marker off, boy. You tried to use that marker off. It takes a lot of time to reload, actually. What? You steal my flipping flag? Oh, come on. You got to be serious. You got to be freaking serious. Too bad, too sad. Too bad. You think I don't see you? I see you enough. I see you just enough. Get wrecked. There he is. He's still my flag, don't they? I hate them, boys. I was just killing everybody. What? Oh, I hate this guy with that gun. Neglect. There we go. We're on the enemy side, aren't we? Yeah, we're just still there. Let's do this. Oh, killed. I was reloading, so I must do it fast. I was using my grenade. I think I'm laggy like that. Oh no, I'm not. They are laggy. Look at how many points that we just have, boys. That's what the point. I gained one flag. That's cool enough. We win. do it, bro. We're so close to getting the next Lego. Look at that. We have 995 points. We are literally keep winning. We are winning and winning. Okay, we're gonna do this last round. And we're about to kill... Too bad, too sad. I know there's people behind me, don't... There it is. Too bad, too sad. There it is. It ends now, it ends then. It haven't generated yet. Wait. Oh, someone stole my flipping flag. Someone stole it, didn't he? You flipping stole it, bro? Oh, now I'm gonna kill you. Oh, he's so tight. Get wrecked. He got hit, didn't he? Oh, you tried to steal my flag, bro? Too bad you're dead. Oh, what? Demon! I'm so scared of a demon, bro. A demon is literally what? What? No way! You guys see what I see, don't you? Yo, that's so insane. You guys see what I see, don't you? I know you guys see what I see. He's trying to steal my flag, don't he? Was he stealing my flag? That guy's very hard to hit, you know? He keeps moving all the time. See, Tocha, that's a good thing when you move all the time. Let's do this, boy. What? Duck hunt? Get the camera, and I am ready to go. Get this. Let's do this. Get relaxed. There he is. He tried to attack me there. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Oh, bruh. I keep getting kills. Hey, wait. Bro, I keep getting kills. Yo, look how many points I have. I think I'm a pro. I think I'm flipping pro. We're gonna do the last round. I know I already said we're gonna do the last round, but this one we're gonna do a real time last round for this one, boys. Let's do this. Yes. Oh, what? Did he throw that? There he is. If Why are we using this bag? I'm not bad. Okay, do this. Oh, what? Oh, I was glitching out. He's such a willy. He's such a guy. I guess we can do this to help. Yes. Oh yes, he's a good boy. There he is. Die this stuff. He left. There he is. He won, boys. We're literally loading in the same time. How do you use this way? Well, that's a bad way to use, my friend. That's a very bad way to use. Hey, my dude. Hey, my dude. Hey, my dude. Where's this guy? Where's this freaking guy? There he is. Get wrecked. Oh, what? Oh, the charge rifle. Oh, I think that's a sniper. Get wrecked. Oh, we have 3 points. There's a lot of points. Yeah? He must do some parkour to miss the shot. Oh, what? He was dropping too fast. I think I have like a gravity thing right now. Oh no, those people spawning. Ooh, they stole my flag. They freaking stole it. Oh, flag guns. Please, let's get this flag. There he is. There he is. That's your big boy. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. This guy don't care. This guy just wanna fight. This guy just wanna take all the guns, you know? Get the... Yes. We did it. Oh! We won. We won! Look at that! We won! My goodness, we did it, guys. We're level 13. A flipping level 13, boys. Guys, I hope you all enjoy. Today was a very special video. We played a lot of flag capture on a single map. I hope you all enjoy, guys. Smash the like button, and now definitely see you guys in the next video. So I just want to say one thing, and that one thing is going to be I'll see you guys tomorrow in another brand new let me use the skin video. Bye, guys. Well, actually, let's open some lucky chests, you know. Let's actually open some lucky chests. So we're not we can end the video after we open some lucky chests. Let's do it on the skin, so we'll never get the skin. Let's do this. By the way, remember to subscribe, give a like, turn on notification. 5 gems. Thank you for that. I'm gonna do it on the gold, so we don't get any coins right now, because I hate getting coins all the time, you know. I hate. Okay, that was an absolute god. Let me do it the same way. So we have one more try after this, but if we can get more gem, that means more try. Bro, I don't want gold. I hate gold. I just need something else. Just This game is my last try, so this is gonna be insane. What do we get? We got a mask. At least we got a mask. The mission mask. Okay, I don't know what's that mask, but I just read it in the wrong way. So we case that mask. Well, this awesome mask. Increase jump height. Ooh. So when I get the brand new boots, I'm gonna get this one, Berserk boots. That's so good. This boot is so good. Also, we buy this one. Oh, so we buy the brand new boots. It allows to double jump. You know what? We're doing it. Guys, we just buy the brand new boots. So, I hope you all enjoy. Smash the like button and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. And I'll see you tomorrow in another video.